Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Polite. Today we are going to be showing you how to make crock-pot breakfast casserole. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining, please do me a favor, head down, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and check out that description box. Not only does it have the recipe for this video, but it also has a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make a crock-pot breakfast casserole. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 10.5 ounce can of cream of celery soup, 1 cup of milk, 32 ounces of hash browns, 1 pound of smoked sausage that we diced, 1 small yellow onion that we diced, 1/2 cup of grated pepper jack cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started. All right, as we always do, we have our mise en place. We do a double check, make sure we got everything we need. We have got our crock pot in the back. I have turned it on just to get it start warming. We got our hash browns, our meat, our whisk. We've got our cheese, our soup, salt and pepper, onions, and milk, and our can of cream of celery soup. And we have our pan right here that we are going to be using to preheat up the cream of celery soup and milk. So let's go ahead and start on that. Let me zero in on this pan here. There we go. That is one of our pans that we got from our Redmond. We did a video last week about the cookware set that I received. Give that a chance to watch. I'll put a link right here for that video. But these are 2 beautiful pans that I got. We're using the smaller one here to show you how to do this. But they're great pans. The link is down below in the description box, of course. So you can order those if you like them, or check it out on their site on redmond.com or on the Amazon link provided below. All right, we got our can of soup in there. We are going to add our milk, and we're just going to heat this up on about a medium heat. We just want to give this a head start while we add all of our other ingredients into the crock pot. All right, like I said, I've got this kind of preheated. I'm going to go ahead and just put the onions in first. Then we're going to put our meat, our diced smoked sausage. My wife thought I was crazy for using smoked sausage. Now the hash browns. If you're going to use hash browns, if you buy the frozen hash browns, make sure they're thawed and ready to go, so they're not frozen, because that's just going to increase the cooking time if you do that. So we're just going to toss all these in there. The other bag in here to get 32 ounces. The hash browns are in. Fills it up, doesn't it? And we're just going to add about half the cheese and just let that sit for a minute. When our mixture gets hot, we'll just pour that right over the top. All right, our mixture, you just pour it right on in there. Stir this up, kind of mix it up a little bit. Salt and pepper. Now at this point you can add whatever seasonings you want to it as well. Just remember, it is a breakfast casserole, so you don't want to get too wild in the seasoning department. Salt and pepper is usually a good one. And then the rest of the cheese right on top. Maybe add a little more, we'll see how it goes as it's cooking. I got the crock pot on high. I'm going to put the lid on. We're going to go 3 hours on this. It is 4:45, so I will see you at 7:45 and we'll check this out. All right, it has been 3 hours. Let's get this in here and see what it looks like. Oh, nice casserole-like consistency. So, potatoes are cooked, meat's in there. The house really smells good. So I am going to just leave this here for a minute. We're going to plate this up, but I'm going to make an egg and some toast, and then we'll plate this up and make it look nice. All right, I've got a sunny side up egg that I'm going to do. See in our non-stick pan there from Redmond. So we're going to let that cook. I'm also going to make some toast. All right, we've got our toaster, a Redmond product. We have the link for this beautiful piece of equipment down in the description box. You can either go to the Redmond site or go to the Amazon link that I provided. But this has a cancel button, so you don't have to try to pull this up. A lot of toasters won't allow you to pull up on the lever. You have to unplug it to get it to stop. But you can do that to cancel the toast. You've got some bagel setting there. You've got a defrost setting as well. And it came in the package. It had a picture of the different settings you can put with the different shade of toast that you want, which I thought was pretty cool. I'll try to remember to put a picture of that up in this segment right here. But we've got our toast going. Beautiful Redmond product here. I'm going to go ahead and wait. We've got our casserole done. We've got our toast cooking. Have our egg in the pan over here. Let's go ahead and get everything plated up. Taste test on this. Beautiful presentation, just some beautiful pictures. I've got the taste of that breakfast casserole there. A lot of flavor in there. Not many ingredients went into this, but it does taste good. Very cheesy. Very succulent with that sausage in there. Yeah. You make this when you go to the cabin, put it in the crock pot, go fishing, do something, come back, it's all ready to go. Put it in overnight on low. You wake up in the morning, you got a casserole for breakfast, scramble up a ton of eggs, make some toast, you're good to go. This is really good. The only thing that I think that maybe I would have done different is to use a different cheese. It's kind of white, kind of monochromatic. Yellow cheese, cheddar would have given it some color, but I did put a little paprika on there. Makes it look good. But this is really, really good. I'm going to have some toast with this too. All right, I'm going to quit eating and talk to you. Don't forget to go down in that description box and check out those links that I gave you for the toaster and the combination cookware set. Very good pieces of equipment. I'm proud to have the Redmond products in my home. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Polito. Bye-bye.